Hello, my name is Brad Tucker. I'm an applications engineer here at Fenner Drives. This is my colleague Chris Ward, who is the other applications engineer here at Fenner Drives. And today we're going to be talking about doing a butt weld on polyurethane belts with our Eagle Freestyle welder. So I'm going to show you all the parts that come with it. Obviously it comes in this canvas bag. Comes with a nice set of laminated instructions, which actually have another use beyond instructions. And I'm going to lay out all the parts of the kit here and then explain what they are. Okay, so the most important part of this kit is the actual Freestyle welder, which is a cordless welder, and I'll get into that more in depth when we get to the welding section. We have a pair of cutters to cut the material. We have a pair of flash cutters to cut off the flash. And then we have a battery charger. This is the power pack for the battery charger. And then it comes with 2 sets of special batteries, which I'll go into why they're special. It also comes with what we call blade release tape, which on the heating blade you'll see this release tape, so it's very important. It also comes with a separate set of hold downs for doing flat belts. We're not going to be doing a flat belt, we're going to be doing a 3/8 orange 85A belt. So I'll put those back in the bag. We have good tape on there, so I don't need that, and we're only going to need 1 set of batteries, so I'll put those away as well. Why do we need special batteries? Well, these batteries are 11,000 milliamp hours of power. So what does that mean? Well, really nothing to the average person, but what that means is they can last a long time. So your average Energizer or Duracell battery or anything of that nature, if you buy it off the shelf, is about 3,200 milliamp hours. So if you put those batteries into this thing and try to use it, this blade will not even get warm before those batteries are dead. So they're really pointless to use. So then I get asked the question, well, why not, like, say, Radio Shack rechargeables? Well, those are only about 7,000 milliamp hours. So again, not enough. They might get warm, but it's not going to stay hot enough long enough to actually melt the belt. So we get these special 11,000 milliamp hour batteries. It comes with 4 in the kit, so you don't need to go buy any right away. But with that, it also requires this special charger. The nice thing about this charger is it will charge these batteries in about an hour, for 1. 2, it can do 8 batteries at a time. And unlike your typical rechargeable battery systems, you don't need to have every battery slot filled before it'll start charging. They don't need to be in series. So you can charge 1 battery at a time if you like. I also get asked the question of, well, why can't I just use a regular recharger system with these batteries? You can. You're going to need to run it 3 cycles before you actually get enough juice into these batteries for them to function. So just stick with the charger that comes with the kit. You'll be good to go. Now I already have these batteries charged up, so I'm not going to actually put them in the charger. Yes,
Right.
Chris?
The batteries are that special. Do I have to buy them from Fenner, or can I get them from somewhere else?
You got to buy them from us. You may be able to source them elsewhere, but it's just going to be...
Batteries plus or something like that?
It's possible, yeah.
But as long as they're 11,000...
milliamp hours and they're rechargeable, absolutely.
Okay.
Yep, you're good to go. But we have a separate part number just for the batteries and for the charger and all that fun stuff. So honestly, ease-wise, it's just better to come to us and get them and save yourself a headache. They are actually I'm trying to remember, they are a nickel metal hydride battery is the exact type of battery. So I'm just going to move this out of here because we don't need this right now. The other thing I want to mention is when this is stored in the bag, you will notice that there are no batteries inside of it. That's extremely important. We've added a safety feature to this. This used to have just a regular rocker on-off switch in the back that's stuck up. And if someone left the batteries in there and then threw the bag, say, in the trunk of their car and it bumped that rocker switch and turned on, they could start a fire. This blade just heats and heats and heats and heats. It doesn't ever stop heating, so until the batteries are dead. The issue with that is when these are fully charged, you get an hour's worth of heating. So If this is up against your canvas bag and it's heating for an hour, not a good thing. So we want to store it without the batteries in it. All right, so that is it for what's involved in the kit and just some of the little safety stuff. The next segment will be actually welding a belt.